Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to show you the steps that you need to take in order to link your Excel spreadsheet to a website for ease of navigation. Okay. Assuming you work as a finance specialist who is responsible for advising the management of your company regarding investment. Okay, and of course, you want to monitor the treasury bill rates or the Sukuk al-Salam rates that are being published on the website of the Central Bank of the Gambia. Okay, so you don't have to be, closing your file, going to Central Bank's website each day, you need to check the rate. No, just link the website to your working file, the Excel file that you use for that purpose. Just link it, and within a click, you'll be able to navigate from your spreadsheet file to the website in order to check the rates. Okay, the steps to follow. One is you need to go and copy the website address. Okay, so we're going to go and copy the website address. So here we are. This is the website for Central Bank of the Gambia. And we are interested in copying this website address. So I just click on it, right click and copy. Then I will go back to my Excel spreadsheet. Okay, I'll go back to my Excel spreadsheet. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to paste this link on my Excel spreadsheet. Okay, let's say I want to paste it on the B2. So I can come to B2, I right click and say paste. Okay, so once I do that, the website will be pasted, and I will be able to use this website to go and check my rates on a daily basis. So once I hover my mouse, you'll see the white hand will show. That means that it's effective. Okay, this is fine. There's no problem in this, but the only problem is it does not look neat. Look at it. Shows all these HTTP, www, and all that. Okay, so we want to code this in such a way that it could nicely appear on our worksheet. So I'm going to delete this. Now, I'm going to create what we call a hyperlink. Okay, so I want to place the hyperlink on this cell, that's B2. So I right click and select link. And then what I will do is I will come to the bottom where it says address. I right click and paste the link. Mind you, I've copied the link already. It's in the clipboard. And the same thing will appear here, but this is not the way I want to call it. So the text to display, I just want to call it CBG rates. So this is the text I want to display on my worksheet, as you can see on here. Okay, then I'll say, okay. So once I say, okay, look at it. The text here is only CBG rate, and of course it's doing the same purpose, so I don't have text all over the place. So once I hover my mouse here, I click on it, it will take me directly to Central Bank website. Okay, then I can be able to get my rates. Right. So in short, this is the way to link your spreadsheet worksheet to a desired website. If you want to know more and of course learn more Excel and Google Sheet online spreadsheet functions and formulas, you can join one of our trainings. To join one of our trainings, you can contact us with the following details at the bottom. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.